Yo, what up, gang? Boo617. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing a video on an install. It's gonna be a quick and easy video because all it is the sticker or the cover that goes on top of the shift lever. Let me show you what I mean. So this sticker here, as you can see, it's been worn and torn. It's that time to get a new one, and we will be replacing it with this new one. Not only is it new, but it also has the little M for the M Sport. This kit comes with these tools to pry this open and then just install the new one. This kit was only $18.99, so with taxes around 20 bucks. So this is just the install video on how to do it. All right, guys, so the first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna pry the old one off. Seems like it's really on there. Doesn't want to come out. All right, guys, so that ended up being a fail. My tool broke. So that's no good. I'm gonna have to go with the big guns now. With the trim kit, I got my piece right here. See if I could take it out with this one. See if this one gives me any trouble. Oh, there you go. That's all it is, really. Just doing a few tests. Make sure that things light up perfectly. Put it in reverse. All right, that looks good. All right. It's easy as that. Just down a little bit. Okay, this is the 3M tape. It's gonna go. I'm just gonna peel it from here. Pop it right in. Like a puzzle piece almost. Just press down. And that's it. It's the difference between the two. Looks very nice. So as you can see, even though the kit came with its own tools, they didn't work. So what I recommend, picking up a kit, a trim kit like this one here. This is gonna be the best. I mean, I invested money. This was not even that expensive. I think it was like 25 bucks on Amazon. It comes with all the proper tools for the trim pieces. I'm gonna do a lot of trim work on this car and on the Nismo and even on my girlfriend's Infinity. I'm gonna do a bunch of trim pieces and stuff like that. So definitely something to invest in. That was it. Boo617. And guys, remember, I'm gonna be doing a bunch of projects with this BMW X5 F15 M package, M Sport. I'm gonna be doing more stuff on my Nismo. I'm gonna be doing stuff on an Infinity QX60, which is my girlfriend's. I'm gonna be doing a whole bunch of stuff. So if you like content like this, like how to do things and just to view projects, make sure you subscribe, like, follow, let me know.